How are you? I am fine, thank you. So kids, first we will learn here colors name. So let's start it. What color is it? It's a light green color. Say light green color. Black color. Repeat after me. Black color. This one is pink color. Say pink color. Red color. Red color. Brown color. Say brown color. Orange color. Orange color. Dark green color. Dark green color. Blue color. Blue color. Violet color. Violet color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Very good. And now we are going to learn about numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to 9. Now let's start it. Violet color. 0. Violet color. 0. Repeat after me. Violet color. 0. Which number is this? 0. And which color is this? Violet color. Very good. Yellow color. Next number is 1. Say 1. Yellow color. 1. Which number is this? 1. Which color is this? Yellow color. Very good. Pink color. 2. Pink color. 2. Very good. Pink color. 2. Which number is this? 2. Which color is this? Pink color. Very good. Pink color. 2. Well done. Next is red color. 3. Red color. 3. Which number is this? It's a red color. Red color. 3. Very good. Beautiful. Blue color. 4. Blue color. 4. Which number is this? 4. Which color is this? Blue color. Orange color. 5. Orange color. 5. Wow. Very good. Good job. Brown color. 6. Brown color. 6. Say brown color. 6. Which number is this? 6. Sky blue color. 7. Sky blue color. 7. Which number is this? 7. And which color is this? Sky blue color. Green color. 8. Green color. 8. Which number is this? 8. And which color is this? Green color. Green color. 8. Light green color. 9. Light green color. 9. Nine. Which color is this? Light green color. Which number is this? 9. Wow, very good. Now let's revise. Violet color 0. Yellow color 1. Pink color 2. Red color 3. Blue color 4. Orange color 5. Brown color 6. Sky blue color 7. Dark green color 8. Light green color 9. That's it for today, kids. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.